Everything is looking in place. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, sir. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. And today, I got a different type of video. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, grab a drink. I'm sipping on some good organic tea like always. Some good yogi tea, you feel me? But today, I'm gonna show you how to make some money. Yes, sir. Wait a minute. Like, just get cozy with me, you feel me? Not in some weird way or something, but today we finna make some money. Before we start the video, I just want to say big shout out to BeatStars. They sent me this crazy merch. Ooh, I'm dripping in this, bruh. I'm dripping in this. Big shout out to BeatStars, and also shout out to them for making this video possible, you feel me? So I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys, my beautiful lovely subscribers, you feel me? But I just want to go over like how I transitioned from like being like my 9 to 5 to being like a full-time music producer slash YouTuber, you feel me? Because right now I'm at the point, drum roll, that I'm being like a full-time music producer, you feel me? Yes sir, yes sir. We made it out the hood, man. No, I'm just joking, but I just want to go over like the things, like my experience and like things I did to like achieve this, because I know a lot of people struggle with this, and I just want to like talk about my personal process, and maybe you can pick up like 1 or 2 things from it, you feel me? I think I joined BeatStars like 2 years ago, I think, and that's why I also like started my YouTube channel. I started like putting my beats out there because it took me 2 years to like get good at making beats and really being confident with putting my beats out there, you feel me? So I was really like, I need to do something different, because everybody, like, there was already like thousands and thousands of producers that were like uploading beats to BeatStars, and BeatStars is like the main place, you feel me? For sure, I was there on like the biggest marketplace for like uploading beats and for rappers to see them. So it's just like a trustworthy company, you feel me? And you know, it's not like a weird website or some shit, you feel me? So, but besides that, I knew I had to do something different. So I was like, bro, let me just like start this YouTube channel and getting my name out there. And initially I started on BeatStars just to like sell more beats and like to be in more sessions, because I knew how people would recognize me from my YouTube channel, so they would automatically go to my BeatStars and buy my beats there, you feel me? Right now, that's not the case, because I make more money off of just like selling kits. Like, it is like selling drum kits, selling one-shot kits, selling loop kits, selling MIDI kits. Like, you can do so much through BeatStars, and it's just like the possibilities are just like endless. You can even put out like preset banks, and because I even dropped like an expand bank, and I might maybe in the future drop an analog bank. I don't know yet, but it's maybe like for some future project. If y'all want that, leave a comment down below. But yeah, my main like source of income is through like the kit sales. When I started the YouTube channel, I switched my focus to focusing more on YouTube and like sending out melodies, and that is what I was doing. Like, I made so much melody packs, it's just crazy, and I might as well just like upload it to my BeatStars for people to buy it, also to like send it out to other producers, and if it lands on a placement, bro, fire. I do think it's harder nowadays to sell like beats, like there's so many producers, but today even I sold 3 beats through BeatStars, which is crazy, because it's just because I was like engaging onto Instagram, and like rappers were reaching out to me and they needed beats. So I was like, bro, let's head over to my BeatStars website, you feel me? Like, as you can see, the pro page comes in really handy, because it's just like all your beats right here, and it doesn't even take that long to like upload your beats and stuff, and it's really easy for artists like to look for beat. And you also have like the licensing info right here. You can set this up on your own as well, but they also got like templates that you can use from BeatStars for like the pricing, and like the legal stuff in there is in the contract. Like, real lawyers and shit made up like the license contracts, so you know it's like legit and stuff. So I also got my sound kits right here, and then you can integrate your YouTube. But like, as you can see, it looks really clean, super easy to use. Also like an about page, biography, the things you produce and stuff. You can add everything to your BeatStars, bro. If rappers or other producers go to your website, it looks like professional, you feel me, in some type of way, then they know, oh, just look on my website, you feel me, then it's serious. But speaking of creative stuff, a lot of people don't know this, but I sell merchandise as well. It's been a minute since I promoted this stuff, but you can make your own merchandise and through BeatStars, like integrate it into your website, you feel me. So that is just crazy, bro. I've got this t-shirt right here, like just simple t-shirts, but that's just like a cool feature as well. Like not many websites got this feature, I think. Like personally, I don't even know other websites, to be fair. I also get my money through the distribution of BeatStars. I think it was last year that they brought in a new feature that allows you to like distribute your own music onto these platforms like Spotify, TikTok, Apple Music, Amazon Music, is it called? I don't know, but it allows you to like upload like and distribute your own music. So it's super easy and really cheap as well. Like it's just like a yearly fee and you can upload as many tracks as you like. It's also good for like beat tapes. A lot of people be sleeping on beat tapes though, even myself. I need to upload more beat tapes as well because I see a lot of people making money through beat tapes, bro. So the main strategies that I use to like grow my business, really try to think outside the box and not what everybody else is doing. Like posting on Instagram and stuff is nice, but you need to like really do something different, you feel me, to like stand out of all the other producers, you feel me. So try to sit down, get a pen and paper and just like write a strategy down for yourself and then really just like apply it and try to use that every day. As I earlier mentioned, I did that through starting my YouTube channel, and that way it gave me like a lot of exposure. I could drive more traffic to my website on BeatStars. So, but also a great thing that worked for me is collaborations with other producers, and not just like, for example, the highest producer, for example, like maybe Chucky or something. Like you can also like, of course, pay him to like collab with you, but it's just like a ladder type of stuff, you feel me, because there's levels to this shit, you feel me. And if you are like on the same level, you can collaborate. If someone right here sees you and he fucks with you, you collaborate with this guy. The guys up here, it's really confusing how I'm explaining it, but I'm trying to like get you to understand it. Like there's levels to this stuff. This person right here that fucks with this person, but you're up here, this person sees you because this person fucks with you, automatically this person will pay attention a little bit to you right here. So if you keep collaborating with this person right here, automatically this person will collaborate with you, and then it's just like all the way up there, you feel me. So just like keep collaborating, reaching out to people, and don't let ego like be in the way of your success, you feel me, because it's like, oh, but this guy is smaller than me, or you never know who will be the next big thing, you feel me. So just like enjoy making beats and collaborate with people, and also not like just like collaborating on beats but on kits as well. If you are like super good at sound designing, you can maybe like reach out to like maybe Loophole or something and just be like, yo, I got these sounds from Analog Lab and I'd like to get it featured in your next kit or something, or just like send it out for free and get some feedback from those guys, you feel me, because they know what they're doing, but obviously you are too, so why not give it a shot? If you never try, you'll never know, you feel me. Shit, I need to get used to talking this much, bruh. God damn. Luckily I've got this sweet tea. It really means a lot to me that you guys are like supporting me. Really thank you. I really want the best for you as well. So make sure to push out those beats through BeatStars. Make sure to put them out on your website. It's just like unlimited beats you can upload, and sound kits as well. Just try to step out of that comfort zone. Bro, if you just like work 6 months straight on something, the amount of progress you will see is just insane, bro. Even if it's like $20, $40, $50 a month, bro, that's progress, because before you had zero. So that means it's progress. So don't be so hard on yourself. If you just like made one beat sale or one kit sale, next month you will just try to sell 2 beats or 2 kits, you feel me? But just like keep pushing, and eventually it will turn out in your favor. I'm telling you, don't be afraid to just keep going. And a lot of people will tell you stop doing what you're doing and I don't believe in you, this or that. Bro, I've been there, bro. If you just keep focused and really believe that you can do this, you can achieve anything, if not more, bro. This is really me speaking from my heart, bro, and I really care about you guys. I really wish the best for you guys, for real. Anyways, bro, overall my experience through BeatStars is just like top tier. Like, I think I will really stay with BeatStars. It's just like easy to use, you feel me? Also, one thing I want to mention as well is the beat idea. I think that idea is just crazy, that like they're able to figure out where your beats are playing, and like through algorithmic, all kind of mathematic systems, they can like track and see who is using your beat. It's just super fire, bro. Just like an extreme case, to give you an example, let's say like a Latin artist steals your beat and goes like getting 3 times platinum, and you didn't even know, because like you don't even listen to that kind of music. The beat idea is there for you. It will track it for you. So it's just crazy to me, bro. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if I should do more of these type of videos, because I really enjoyed talking to you guys and with you guys. But really, genuinely, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @gunna, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.